Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Leos. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your career situation, and your love energy, guys. So these are the cards for your daily energies, Leos. For your career situation, this is the card, and for your love energy, this is the card, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle Guidance deck. So that is a guidance card, guys. So we will open the card after we finish the reading. So for your daily energy, Leos, it's Two of Pentacles in reverse, the World in reverse, and Wheel of Fortune, Leos. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you may be getting some important news, guys. Maybe some important form of communication today. For some of you, it may be something very positive that makes you happy. For some of you, it may be not so good, guys. Something which may not be so good. But with the other cards here, other cards denotes positivity and abundance. So I see here it may be a positive form of communication coming. It may be from your person, or it may be in your work situation. So something related to your personal life or your career situation, and things are going in a very positive way here, guys. In your life today, you are seeing success, and you are seeing things aligning in a perfect way. Maybe destiny is unfolding in your life. Things are just falling into place. So whatever you were expecting, it is coming towards you, your goals, and whatever achievements you have for yourself, accomplishments you were planning. So all that is coming towards you, guys. And also you are happy how things are going in your life today. Maybe for some of you, this connection with this person, it may be a karmic cycle, guys. That is the reason this person is there in your life today. It may be a twin flame soulmate connection that you have with this person, guys. That is what I see. So things are going in a very positive way for your Leos. That is what I see with these cards. You have that satisfaction, peace of mind, and balance in your situation, and you have realized your goals, and you're enjoying prosperity, and there is a sense of accomplishment and completion in your heart. So you're feeling extremely happy. That is what I see. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, Leos. It's the High Priestess in reverse. So with this card here, guys, the energy in your situation, in your career situation, guys, maybe for some of you, you may be making tremendous efforts and hard work, guys. You are passionate about your work, you love your work, but still you have too many burdens, too many responsibilities for some of you, and you are extremely stressing yourself in your career situation. So that is what I see with this card. Maybe for some of you, it may be a physical work, or for some of you, you may be using your mind. Maybe if you are someone based in computer based work, you are always mentally stressed. That is what I see. Too much work. That is what this card is about, guys. But you are enjoying that success, but still you have too many responsibilities or burdens, Leos. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. The Chariot. With this card, guys, the energy for y'all in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So you are in a situation where you have come to an understanding with this person after you have crossed many obstacles or stressful situations, and you have that devotion of this person, you have that understanding with each other, trust and love, and you share great compatibility. That is what I see. And you are a person of great discipline, guys. You do things in a particular way, and this person you are in connection with, they appreciate that quality of yours, and they are happy how you have that trust in yourself, that self confidence that you have, and your focus in whatever you do. So they greatly appreciate you for that, and they have that love on you for that qualities of yours, guys. That is what I see with these cards. Leos, let us see what is your oracle's guidance. Observer. So this card may or may not relate to your situation right now, guys. This is a guidance. So this may be what you need to do today, so that will help us make this day a better one. So we can use this guidance in our career situation or in our relationship, guys. So this cards denotes a different perception in our situation. So most of the time we see the situation from our personal lens. So when we do that, we will not be able to see that reality in that situation. So in our relationship, the same way, when we are up close with that person, we will not know what is the other person's feelings, what do they want to say. And when we listen to that other person, when we take time, think what that other person will feel and what they will think, when we act or react in a particular way in that situation, we will get that understanding when we think about that situation in a different perspective. So when you do that, we will be able to see that situation in a different light, and we will come to an understanding in that situation, guys. And the same way in our career situation, when we see things from a distance, from a different perspective, so we should not give up that essence of what we need to do, our work, our goals and aspirations. So without letting that essence go, we should see that situation from a different perspective. When we are able to do that, we will see what we need to do today to reach success. So we will realize our mistakes, if there are any mistakes in our career situation, guys. When we see things from a different perspective, we will just widen the way we see, widen our vision in any situation, and it will help us in a better way. So that is what this card is about, Leos, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.